Good morning, Omaha approach, Centurion 450 Sierra Echo on the ground at Millard with request.
Centurion 450 Sierra Echo, Omaha approach, good morning. You looking for your IFR?
That's affirmative, 0 Sierra Echo.
Alright, Centurion 0 Sierra Echo, cleared Foxtrot Tango Whiskey via Millard as filed. Departure, it's going to be runway heading 3000, expect 16,000 within 10 minutes. Departure frequency is going to be 120.1, your squawk is 2416.
Cleared as filed, Foxtrot Tango Whiskey, runway heading 3000, expect 16,010, 120.1 on the frequency and squawk 2416, 0 Sierra Echo.
Sierra Echo, readback is correct. How soon are you ready to go? Verify your weather nodes there, Millard.
We've got weather NOTAMs at Millard, and we're departing runway 12, and we're number 1.
0 Sierra Echo, roger, release for departure. I'll talk to you in there.
Talk to you in there, 0 Sierra Echo. To 0.1, right? We're set up there. Millard area traffic, Centurion 450 Sierra Echo, departing runway 12, Millard. All right, so we got the strobes on, everything's lit up. Continuous ignition is coming on now. Looks like we're going to fly into a little bit of weather. We had some rain earlier. We kind of waited it out, and actually our departure time just came out perfect. Rain's gone. Weather's passed to the east. We had a pretty good flight going all the way to Fort Worth. Okay, once again, continuous ignition is on. We're on both tanks. Are you ready?
Ready.
Airspeed's alive. Everything's in the green. Gears coming up. Gears up, flaps coming up. Flaps are up. Another traffic, Centurion 450 Sierra Echo off of 12, final call for Millard.
0 miles from the final approach fix, maintain 3000 until established on the local as your cleared ILS, runway 18 approach. That's a 179, X-ray Papa, contact Omaha approach 124.0, good day.
124.0, have a good day, X-ray Papa. Omaha approach, Centurion 450 Sierra Echo, we're 2000 for 3000, runway heading.
450 Sierra Echo, Omaha approach, ident the Omaha altimeter 3017.
3017 in the ident.
8 Echo Papa heading 270, vectors around some heavy precipitation. If you need to deviate left or right of that, let me know.
So you all can see the clouds up here in front of us.
This is 0 Sierra Echo, your radar contact 2 miles southeast of the Millard Airport. Altimeter 3017, climb and maintain 15,000 and turn right on course.
15,000, right on course, 0 Sierra Echo.
Skyway 3537, Omaha approach, set to maintain 6,000 and expect ILS runway 14 right. Delta 688, Omaha departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000, proceed direct to St. Louis. Echo Papa entering area of light precipitation, moderate to heavy, starts in about 5 miles, should be out of that in about 1.5 miles.
Continuous ignition is off.
Skywest 3159 contact.
Navigate mode is on. We're climbing at 700 feet a minute, as you can see there. Heading up to 15,000. Eventually we're going to get to 16. There is some ice warnings out here. We'll keep an eye on that. We'll keep an eye on the temperature. It's 57 degrees right now. Look out over to the left there and you can see the stuff we're trying to miss. Just on the edge of the storm. We waited just the perfect amount of time.
Number 4540, contact Minneapolis Center, 119.6.
And you can see here, we're just going to skirt it all the way out. From there, up.
Number 4540, Omaha departure.
So from the cockpit of 450 Sierra Echo, Silver Eagle, Omaha, welcome aboard as we head to Fort Worth.
Skywest 35.
And we're going to go there for
14 right.
friendship and concert, and just going to have a great weekend. So thanks for tuning in with us. I'll talk to you soon.
Delta 680.